Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic solid edge tutorials how to compress spring. To compress spring, you need to go into assembly. You can click at these icons. I will create new assembly and then I will save this assembly file with the default name. Now you can go to tools menu and then click on engineering reference. In here you can see there are tools for compression spring design. You can click and then you can set for the wire diameter. This is for default. You can click calculate and you can see the strength validation is passed. If you want to change again, you can click at this step design parameter. Like I will set into wire diameter 8 and you can click calculate. The strength is failed, so you need to edit for the spring dimension at this point and also for spring parameter. You also can change again, like I will set for wire diameter in here into 6, calculate, and it will be passed. If you done, you can click create. Now I will use preload view. You can click generate and we're waiting to generate compression springs into solid edge drawing area. Okay, that's it for basic solid edge tutorials how to compress spring tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.